Oh,
What's wrong, Tinky Winky?
I'm just a little bit disappointed.
Well, why?
Well, you see, Lala's sick.
Lala's sick? What happened?
She has a terrible cold. I'm just worried about her.
Well, is she doing okay?
Yeah, she's just doing just fine. I'm just kind of sad right now.
Cheer up, Tinky Winky. At least we still have each other, right?
Yeah.
And speaking of that, why don't we see a magical event?
Yeah. Too bad Lala can't see it.
Yeah, I know. Looks like it's time. Come on.
Coming.
Me too.
So when we hear sound in the distance, we go to it. So, Tinky Winky, Lala, make sure you listen.
I hear something. Sounds like birds tweeting. Come on.
Okay. Okay. This must be the place. You heard it, right, Tinky Winky?
Yeah, I think so.
What beautiful birds.
Yeah.
Let's watch. But they're called beautiful birds.
Yeah, too bad Lala didn't get to see the magical event. It was brand new. Lala haven't seen it before.
Well, she will now.
What do you mean, Tinky Winky?
I recorded it.
You recorded it on your... Where?
On my tummy screen, silly.
Oh. Wow. Lucky you. Good job, Tinky Winky. Oh, it's time to go now. Come on.
So many dogs.